Hello Unitech fans, I'm Jamie Shipley and this is the MS852 unboxing video. Today we're doing the part number, the MS852-VUCB0SOG, which represents what we call the MS852 Plus model because of the scan engine that's in it. It's the Honeywell N6703 and it has the 2D scan engine, comes with a USB corded black straight cable. No power supply needed, and it comes with the stand, which is an auto switching stand, and we'll see what that means here as we go through this. So in the box you got the scanner, and you've got the regulatory compliance document and a quick start guide, the USB cable, and in here is the stand. Alright, so you got the gooseneck, some screws in there. So there's the gooseneck. We got the base of the stand. And you have the top of the stand. So I'm going to put these together next with a screwdriver. And here you're going to see two screws. These two are for connecting the base to the desk, like that. So if you are in a point of sale environment, you can screw it down to the desk. And these screws here are for connecting the gooseneck. We'll call it the gooseneck. And then this piece here is the part that makes it auto switching. It's actually a magnet there. So you'll see this logo here, and this logo here means auto switching, which means it goes from trigger mode to, when it's in the stand, it's in auto detect mode. So you put this in the gooseneck top part. See if you can see how it lines up there. Now the magnet's no longer shown, it's hiding underneath there. And I'm going to put the gooseneck on. Okay, the stand is put together with the gooseneck, and you'll notice that on the bottom of the stand, the texture of this is quite good. It's a rubber, so it won't scratch the desk. The USB cable is going to be plugged in to the bottom of the scanner on this end right here. So let me take this off. Okay. All right. Let's see. This end plugs into a computer. And you'll see it's in sensing mode already. So good. Just take it out, and then you're in trigger mode. And that is the MS852 unboxing video.